Mike with AWM Water Features here. We are on our first big project, a swim pond project of the year. And you can see boulders delivered behind me. We got underlayment and liner all sitting there getting ready. We're already underway a little bit. We've gotten excavation done. And we are getting pretty close to getting in liner, and we're really excited about this. This is going to be a 32 by 18 by 4.5 foot deep swim pond. It's going to have a flagstone bottom to the deep section, and it's going to have a flagstone patio coming to the edge of the deep section and a wall there so you can just walk right off into the pond. So negative edge, which is going to be really cool. Can't wait to show you folks the end product. Yeah, so it's a really amazing project. Look forward to showing you folks more. It's compaction time. We are setting the bottom of this pond because we are going to have a flagstone bottom to this pond, a nice flat flagstone bottom. So this is going to be really cool, but we need a base to put that flagstone on. So that's what we're doing right now, compacting this, and I can't wait to see that end product done. This is going to be so sharp. So this is where we're at. We have the liner in the deep section, and the compaction material is all down and compacted. Tomorrow we're gonna start setting our first concourse of rocks, and yeah, getting her done. We just got done digging this massive trench out from the swim pond. Right about here is the level where the swim pond water level is going to be. And underneath the swim pond we have drainage so that if any water gets underneath there, this is all clay, so that water could collect. We don't want hydrostatic pressure pushing up and heaving up those flagstones on the bottom. So we have the drain tile coming out and through this trench, and so any water that collects underneath the pond is just going to drain out this way. Pretty soon, once we get that laid, we'll put this all back, compact it down, and you'll never know the difference. So we are on week 2 of this swim pond build in Lowell, Michigan. And wow, what a difference a week makes. It was 86 degrees last week and we are barely 40 right now. But just wanted to show you folks what we got accomplished last week. We had some challenges, even though it was nice and warm. We did have a day of rain which slowed us down. We had a skid steer go down, so that slowed us down as well. But we are on rocking in the pond. We got this corner started. We had to dig a trench out that way and so that we could get under drainage underneath this bad boy, kind of right through the center there, and then out. And that under drainage is going to prevent water from becoming basically building up pressure, hydrostatic pressure underneath the liner and pushing it up. Super important because we got this patio, this flagstone going in the bottom, and that you can't have that moving at all. Got that rock work done so that the guys could start backfilling that corner from the trench that we made, because it was about a little over 5 foot deep trench, about 3 foot wide. So we're working on that. Today we're going to be putting in the flagstone, keeping on doing the rock work there. We have behind me here, we have underneath all that liner, we have the beach that's going to be going in, and probably in a couple of days I'll come over here and show you the rest. So this is the negative edge pondless basin. So this is where the pump is going to draw from. Here we have the pump housing there. You can see the plumbing starting to get run, and that's where the water's going to be drawn into that pump in the pump chamber there, and it's going to draw it out of this reservoir. So this is 2 large aqua blocks stacked high. So this is 70 some aqua blocks, and we're going to have a little bit higher grade so it contains even more water. And then we're going to have the negative edge coming out this way, or the negative edge here on the swim pond, and then a waterfall coming down into here. So really nice views from the house of this waterfall. That's why we decided to do this negative edge here, is that there really wasn't any good opportunities to see anything from the house when you're talking about a wetland filter way back in that corner. So we did a negative edge so they could see a waterfall from the house. So this is the basin. We got this much rock working this week on working our way up the waterfall and connecting, and hope to have the basin and this reservoir done by the end of the week and wrapping up next week. Here we have the actual swim basin. So this is where most of the swimming is going to be done. It's going to be 4.5 feet deep. So, most people should be, chest and neck level as they walk along on that flagstone bottom. And then obviously also you can just pick yourself up and, do some swimming around on the surface. We have this wall going in. So this wall is going to top off right at the patio level. So this lower patio, you're going to be able to walk to the end of this and jump right into the pond. So we're pretty excited about that. That's going to be pretty cool. And because this is a hybrid pond, we're doing some contemporary feel as well as some natural rock work. So also on this side, we're going to have a stretch of wall to get that contemporary hybrid look going. Welcome to another day in Michigan. It's raining, it's cold, and we don't care because we're working on an amazing project. We got quite a bit done yesterday despite the challenges with the weather. We have the wall constructed. We got some base stones, you know, the back of the wall compacted up to that level. So that's going great. We're going to be basically that lower patio is going to cantilever right over the top of that wall so that people can jump into the pond there. Because that lower concourse is done, we've got a team working on the flagstone bottom, which is going to be great for walking on when you're in that deep section. We'll be working on seaming the waterfall between the swim basin and the pond reservoir on that negative edge. So that's what we're working on. We got the crew of Serene Water Gardens here collaborating with us. Hey guys. And yeah, we're really excited about this. Wish the weather could be better, but hey, we'll keep on trucking. have gone from tons of boulders back through here and there to, as you can see, I think we're down to the last 7 or 8 boulders that we need to place. So we're just about done with the rocking in of the swim pond itself. Now we got to take all of this compaction material and get it into this space right there where Nathaniel is, because we got that flagstone patio coming in off of this wall and then back to here, and then that will lead step up to another patio behind me in that big long space, and even a patio back there. So this is a huge flagstone patio project. We're excited about how that's going to turn out, and let me show you what else we have going on here. So what's really cool at this point is you can actually see the flagstone work down here now. We got everything all cleaned out in the pond itself. You can see a lot of the colors of the rocks and see the bottom flagstone work quite a bit better. We have the walls completely backfilled, the constructed walls completely backfilled and anchored into place with the big stones. We have the spillways done. We still need a flagstone piece for the top of that, but it's going to be a nice clean edge, infinity edge, so it comes out and down the waterfall into the pondless reservoir there. We got almost everything rocked in, just a few rocks here or there. We got the wetland filter almost completed and all rinsed through, so we are coming along nicely.